Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is August the 21st, 2024. And if you've been a reader of my newsletters or a viewer of this YouTube channel, you are quite aware that I value the ratio charts, comparing one asset to the other in order to see which asset has been outperforming the other in relative terms. And hopefully that can provide some insight where we can anticipate which asset will outperform the other in the future. Now, I'm going to show you the soybean corn ratio chart right now. So this is the corn ratio chart here, and you can see here we have the ratio of 2.61. So it's basically 2.61 bushels of corn for 1 bushel of soybeans. So we can see here right now that really it's since August of 22 or July of 22, soybeans have outperformed corn on a relative basis. So what that's telling us as a farmer, that if given the choice between selling any of these two commodities, we want to be selling the one that's going to perform the worst and hang on to the one that's performing the best relative to the other. So that the signals the market's been telling us is really, since that for the last 2 years, is hang on to soybeans, as they're likely to outperform corn on a relative basis. Now we can see here right now that might be changing, and we can start to see what we can probably look at this here and we can see like it's a descending triangle. So a descending triangle means or suggests that we have lower prices in the future. Now, as a market technician, we like using our moving averages to indicate where the trend is going. Now I'm just going to put on the 50. This is the 50-week moving average. This is the weekly chart. So the 50-week moving average. And we can see here, this green line here, you can see when the price has risen above or below, it's that moving average, it's signaled a trend change. So it's really interesting to watch that. So as a trader or as a farmer, using these moving averages can help us make the decision which commodity to hang on to and which commodity to sell. I even like looking at the 10-week moving average here too, and it's a little more tighter to the price line, and also maybe gives us a little more signals where we can maybe act a little quicker than waiting for the slower term moving average. We find these ratio charts very valuable. I think they're a great asset, a great tool to use in making decisions as a producer, whether we want to sell or hang on to a commodity. And also as a trader, if you're investing, you want to be in the best performing asset. So if you're trading, you want to be in the best performing asset also. So, given the choice between, having a long position or taking a trade or a short position in soybeans or corn, this ratio chart can help out because it shows you which commodity is going to outperform the other. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.